Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will connect our register fragment UI to the auth view model. This will allow the user to register with email, password and username, and we will handle navigation, loading states and success and failure messages. So what we need to do is first we need to remove this default code. Whenever we adding a new fragment, this default code will be added. So we need to remove this, and here I just copy and paste the logic. So what we did here, I will explain you. So here we define two variables. One is for binding and another one is for auth view model. So for binding, whatever we are seeing in the UI part, it will bind the elements with this variable. Okay. Now coming to the onCreate view, inside we inflate the layout using view binding. This makes it easy to access UI elements without calling find view by ID. Under onView created method, we create a repository and pass it to the view model factory. So whenever user click on sign up button, we read the username, email and password from the UI. If any field is empty, we show a toast asking all fields are required. Otherwise, we show a loading indicator and call view model dot register function to start registration. Now coming to the navigation part, so that whenever user click on text view sign in, so whenever user click on this login text which we bind here, text view sign in, so whenever user click on this text, user should navigate from register fragment to login fragment. All right. So here we observing the auth status. We observe auth status from the view model. If registration is successful, user should see the registration successful toast message, and along with we also save the FCM token, and user navigate to the main fragment after successfully registration. If it is fails, user can see the error message. So see, if this status goes to success, this method will execute. Okay, that means after registration successful, user should navigate to the register fragment to main fragment. So this is the loading indicator. This function toggles the progress bar and disable the button while registration is in progress. Once registration is complete, it restores the button and hides the loader. Okay, so basically what we did, we make it visible and gone based on their visibility. So in this video, we connected our register fragment UI with view model. We handled button clicks, field validation, loading states, Firebase registration and navigation. Next, we will repeat a similar setup for login fragment and forgot password using the same view model. Let me show you how it works. So I will give the username to test@gmail.com and test1234. This is the password I gave. And if I click on create account, we can see the toast message and user navigate to the main fragment. Now let me show you the authentication service so that we can see the email which we have just provided, and we can see the user ID also. So if we check with this user ID in the Firestore database, we can see the username and their email ID along with FCM tokens. So here we can see the email ID is storing, FCM token we can see, and the username we can see. So that's it for today. In next video, we will connect our login and forgot password skin in a similar fashion. Thank you.